Right lads, back with another video. I'm just going to show you now exactly how to install Ista and Inpa to work on the same computer. So double click on the install, making sure it loads up. It'll flash up with this. This is going to be the one click install that installs everything. You just press next, next again, then press yes. Press no on this, click off the show read me, click finish. Okay, cool. So as you can see now, you've got your tools all installed and ready. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to browse to the C and delete the eDevice folder. Just delete it. So the first thing you want to do is that's good. Right, now what you want to do is go back to the desktop and install the patched eDevice. Click install, click next, make sure it's a C, click next again, click install, click yes. Cool, click finish. Now what you're going to want to do is basically just click on Inpa again, and it's going to come up with some text saying that it's going to configure the tool. It's completely normal, don't worry. It'll take a few seconds just to basically extract the new tool. So while that's doing that, you can head over to the ISTD, open that with WinRAR, extract diagonal to the C drive, just a root of the C, press OK, press yes. As you can see now, it's going to start extracting Ista. BMW Input is loaded up and it's fully ready to be used, same with all the other programs. As you can see, we're just extracting the brand new Ista. I'll show you through. NCS dummy, fully working. The NCS coding tool, tool 32, and WinFKP. The only one that's probably not going to work is the BMW coding tool, but this is a really simple fix. All you do is go into the Inpa one-click store, get the BMW coding tool, locate the three files, 1, 2, 3, copy them, load up the coding tool fix readme, go to my computer, C, Windows, and find System 32, which is here, paste them in here, press do this for all current items, to continue, and copy them over. If you're on 64-bit Windows, click in there, click Ctrl V, press continue, and copy them all over again. Okay, so the next step you want to do, click on your Windows key and type CMD and run this as an administrator, press yes, locate the folder, copy reg saver, the first one in the command, the reg svr32c Windows, then press Ctrl and V, then press enter. It's going to say it's successfully registered. Close this, load up the coding tool. It'll work now. That's the easy step to get that working. Check back on yesterday. Just extracted some more files. So while it's doing that, we can click on the SQL English database, WinRAR it, open it, extract C, Reingold, SQL DBs, and it's going to extract the English databases to the database. That's going to take a few seconds to do that. and the other big one is going to be in here. Okay, so once that one's done, you can open the other Mega Sync Global, open that, C, Wrangle, SQL-like databases, press OK, let that one extract at the same time. As you can see, it's still extracting. So we'll just kindly wait for this. Obviously in here as well will be your license file to register it in Ista when it loads up. As you can see, I'm not cutting any of this out, I'm doing a full live preview on how to do this. I'm just going to allow it to happen like this. It's going to take 2 minutes to do that one, and this one's going to take, it's going to be done soon, that one will fly off. So, while you're at, when you get my download for Ista, you're going to get yourself the tools folder. Just make sure that you've got all the VCs ready and to be installed. It's going to flash up. That's yes. You can see now we're just installing all the extra redistributables. Make sure it's stuck a load 100% as you need these on the side.
What we do here is go back.
So we're just waiting for this to extract, to be honest. It's taking a little bit longer than usual, but it's quite a big file, it's ISTAD, so let's see. Just waiting for this guys to finish so we can continue showing you how to do the install. So that's this done now, that's good. So you want to do is when you put your OBD cable, just plug your OBD cable in, your BMW equivalent cable. There you go, just plugged it in. Now what we want to do is go on my computer, browse, device manager, double click on this COM port, click port settings, advanced, and change it to COM port 1 with the latency to 1. So 1 on the latency timer and COM port 1. Press OK. Press OK again. You should see it right there, COM 1. Okay, brilliant. Now what you want to do, you go to this computer, go to the C drive, edit BIOS, bin, look for OBD. Double click on the configuration setting and make sure it says COM port 1. That's it, you're set up and ready. Your cable is now set up and ready to connect to Inpa and Ista. As a little preview, I will show you right now Inpa has found the connection. And as you can see, battery on, ignition on. And the next thing we'll have to do is just click on both reg files, click yes, and yes again, press OK. Double click on that, yes, yes, OK. Double click on your license file, copy it all. Simply move over to the Regenhall folder, tester GUI, bin, release, IST GUI, send to the desktop. Okay, that should be ready to launch. Simply right click, run as administrator, press yes. And it should prompt us with a license warning. That's brilliant. Press continue, continue again, paste your license in here, press continue, press 1 in your ISIS number, then click finish, press OK. Rename your program to whatever you like. I call it ISTAD. Same again, and then click on your properties, click on compatibility, and then just click on run as administrator, so you no longer have to keep right clicking. Double click, press yes. Brand new version, just loaded out on the 3rd. There we go. Click on your spanner, top right spanner. Click the vehicle interface, then click edit BIOS default. If you're using the K-CAN, D-CAN cable, you use this setting, or if you're using your Ethernet cable or ICOM, you use this setting here, and press OK. I'm going to show you Inpa's loaded up at exactly the same time. Let's see, I've got both side by side working. You can also check the version that we are running off, brand new version. It's 4.11.30. Like I said, these programs will be constantly updated, and I will be providing my customers with the best level of updates and care that I can. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.